This is the INLIFE i7 self-charging robotic vacuum cleaner. We've had this for about 3 days now, and so far we're very pleased with it. So we're going to show it in action. So this has, it's at the docking station now, plugged into the wall.
I'm going to show you a closer look at the docking station. Here we have 6 buttons, the time and the days of the week. You have an hour button, a minute button, and a week button. You also have the time, the scheduling button, and a starting button.
Yeah, so that allows you to schedule your cleaning.
Allows you to schedule your cleaning to various times, day and week that you want to have it. So we have ours set for 10 a.m. every single day.
Now you can run it anytime you want, and there's a remote control. So you want to do some extra cleaning.
All you have to do is press the on button.
So when you have the vacuum next to the docking station, it blinks red if the battery's low, blinks in blue when it's charging, and the steady blue is that it's fully recharged. So right now it's charging, and it's almost fully charged, so that shouldn't take long. The button that you see blinking is the stop-start button.
Alright, so right on the back, you can take it out, take the compartment of the vacuum out to empty it. All you have to do is press this button, pull right out, and as you can tell, there's a lot of stuff in here.
So it picked up quite a bit in the limited amount of time we've used it, so let's empty that out and start fresh. So according to the manufacturer, this has a running time of up to 80 minutes. The charge time, the full charge time, is 3 hours. It has 1,000 PA suction.
It's only about 4.9 pounds as well, so it's not that heavy if you need to go relocate it or anything like that.
So let's show you how it works. First, let me tell you about the virtual blocker, and that's over here, and that creates an invisible barrier so that your vacuum won't cross. Its effective distance is about 10 feet. So if you have an area of your home where you don't want the vacuum to enter, then you place it up against the wall, at least 3 feet away from the home charging station.
Alright, and here we go.
Kind of fun to watch it. So there you can see it bumped up against the table, and then figured out to go the other way. So it is able to get up over this area rug, which is, I guess you'd call it a semi-shag. Work best with carpets that are not shag carpets. Or maybe where it's wall-to-wall carpeting. So you can see it's finding its way out of a tight jam there. Okay, so we turned it off. And can you push the home button? There's a home button on the remote. And it should find its way back to the charging station. And then we're going to put down something, maybe some oatmeal on the floor, and see how it picks it up. Okay, go. And the cat doesn't quite know what to make of that hairless creature. So he's finding his way home. Yay!
Yes, we did it.
Okay. All right. Why don't we get some, maybe some slivered almonds and oatmeal or something to put down on the floor. Give a demonstration.
Okay. Alright, so we're going to turn it on and test this mess.
Yeah, we've got some oatmeal, a few slivered almonds, and some crumbled up crackers on the floor. Pretty typical around here. All right. Picking that up. So, are you hitting some buttons there?
I am. I'm hitting a few buttons on here.
The directional?
Yeah.
So it's gotten up most of it. Still working on it.
Oh yeah, I'm really impressed.
Now it's not super quiet. I don't know that any of them are. It's not as loud as a traditional vacuum cleaner, but it's probably something you don't want to schedule for when you're listening to music or watching television. You can see the little brushes moving. Now let's see what happens when it reaches the blocking device. Yep. We have the blocking device there up against the wall. So it recognized that signal and turned around.
It's doing a pretty thorough job.
Yeah. Getting up under the chair there where it collects a lot of dust and lint. So I'm kind of surprised that it's able to get up over that area rug because, as I said, it's kind of a semi-shag. So it has a little bit of a challenge, but it's made it. So it's back at its charging station.
I think it's a really good device. It's a lot better than I thought it would be or gave it credit for.
One thing you have to be careful about is little tiny hard objects. We did have a Lego on the floor that got jammed in the brush, and when that happens, it will just turn off and you get an error message. So there's no terrible consequences, but that's something to keep in mind. It's great for picking up debris, all sorts of debris and pet hair, but not little tiny objects like Legos.
Alright, so that is our video on the INLIFE i7 robotic vacuum cleaner. Please make sure you check the description section below for more information on the product. Thanks for watching.